Using superposition, find VO in the circuit of figure. We have to find this VO in this circuit using superposition theorem. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now let's say VO is equal to there are two independent sources, so VO is equal to V1 plus V2, where V1 and V2 are the voltage due to 9 volt and 3 volt respectively. 9 volt and 3 volt respectively. So to find V1, turn off. To find this V1, we will turn off this 3 volt. 3 volt. So circuit will look like this. This is a voltage source. So this will be short circuited and this will be V1. Now if we apply nodal analysis, then let's say this is current I1, this is current I2 and this is current I3. So if we apply KCL here, so summation of all the entering current at this node is I3. I3 is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. Now I3 is equal to 9 minus V1 by 3. 9 minus V1 by 3 is equal to I1. I1 is equal to V1 minus 0 by 1. So directly I1 is equal to V1 plus I2. I2 is equal to V1 minus 0 by 4 plus 9. 4 plus 5. This is equal to 9. So V1 by 9. I2 is equal to V1 by 9. V1 by 9. Now this will be 9 by 3 minus V1 by 3 minus V1 minus V1 by 9 is equal to 0. So this is equal to, this will be 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 9 minus 13 by 9. So minus 13 by 9 is equal to minus 13 by 9 V1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 13 by 9 V1 is equal to 3. So this is equal to V1 is equal to 3 into 9 by 13. 3 into 9 by 13. 27 by 13. 27 by 13 volt is V1. V1 is equal to 27 by 13 volt. Next we have to find V2. So to find V2, this time we will turn off this 9 volt and consider 3 volt. Consider 3 volt and turn off 9 volt. So when we turn off 9 volt voltage source, then that will be a short circuit. and this will be this is V2, so this will be V2. Now again we will apply nodal analysis here. So let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, and this is current I3. So apply KCL at node V2. So summation of all the entering current, apply KCL at node V2. So I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. Now I1 is equal to 3 minus V2 by 1. 3 minus V2 by 1 is equal to I2. I2 is equal to V2 minus 0 by 3. V2 minus 0 by 3 plus I3. I3 is equal to V2 minus 0 by 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So I3 is equal to V2 by 9. V2 by 9. Now this is equal to 3 by 1 minus V2 by 1. This will be minus V2 by 3. This will be minus V2 by 9 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. So this is equal to minus 13 by 9. Minus 13 by 9. V2 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 3 is equal to 13 by 9 V2. So therefore V2 is equal to 3 into 9 by 13. 3 into 9 by 13. So 27 by 13. 27 by 13 volt. So V2 is also equal to 27 by 13 volt. Now what we have to find? We have to find VO. VO is equal to V1 plus V2. VO is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 is 27 by 13 volt. 27 by 13 plus V2 is also 27 by 13. So this is equal to 27 by 13 plus 27 by 13. 4.153. 4.153 volt. This is the value of VO. What we have to find? We have to find VO using superposition theorem. So this is the value of VO using superposition theorem. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.